listening. Please subscribe now. Hi, Mr. Colin.
Hello, welcome back. Did you have fun last night?
I had a lot of fun. We
Good.
were watching the movie If.
It?
No, If. It's the
If.
new movie.
If. Okay, I never heard of that. I know It from Stephen King, but I don't know If. If I was a millionaire, what would I buy? Missed me by that much. Nice. Good morning to you, Maximilian. Maxwell Smart. How are you doing this morning?
I'm doing well. It's very foggy.
It's foggy?
It's very foggy. Yeah, it's very foggy.
Why is that? Just the weather?
Well, it was raining, and
Yeah.
then when I went to the car,
Yeah.
somehow there's spider webs on it.
Okay. Nice. Why's your camera moving like that? Is somebody holding on? Somebody holding on to the camera? Oh, okay. You don't have a stand. Nice to see you. So how you feeling about getting a house in Japan? Did your dream come true?
Well, it's very, very exciting for me because now I don't have to worry about paying money, like money for just staying for one night.
Yeah, but you're rich. So what does that matter? You know?
Well, if you aren't conserving, you might be trapped in Japan for maybe forever. If you
Yeah.
don't have enough money to buy a flight back, that might end up badly.
Yes. How old are you now?
9 still.
9 years old. You're my youngest person I helped buy a house in Japan. Congratulations. I don't know any other 9-year-olds who bought a house in Japan who are rich like you. It's awesome, man. You excited about that? You like that?
I'm very excited
How often do you plan on coming?
because
Oh, sorry, go on. Sorry. Because?
because if you also have a house in Japan, that means that you don't have to worry about like, oh no, where's this place? Oh no, where's that? You don't have to worry really about checking in. You don't have to worry about checking in because the thing that is so annoying is that when you're going inside a hotel, you have to wait for the door and there's a courtesy time.
Yeah.
Where if you're doing it, the door is closed.
Yeah.
Sorry, but tonight it's closed.
Oh, so you can come whenever you want, is what you're saying, to your place.
Yeah.
It's free to come. Come and go as you please. Yes. That's a good feeling. Do you like your house?
I like it very much.
What's your favorite part about it?
The favorite part about it is probably the tatami.
What's talking about? You like that?
Yeah, if you add some furniture, you could probably have like a little table for you to have if you want to have tea.
Mm-hmm. That's
Maybe.
true. Yeah, you have a nice garden there to have a nice view and tea and the sunshine coming in with your bonsai
Yeah.
tree there. Yes. Are you
Yes.
gonna study Japanese more now?
I might try to study more.
Japanese? 頑張ってね。
Yes.
頑張ってね.
Is that good luck?
Yes. Very good. It means do your best. Good luck. Oh, you're already learning, my friend. You're a genius. You're rich and you're a genius. And you're 9 years old. Just don't
I
get
want
married.
to. I think that's a little inappropriate for my time, so I'll wait long for enough for it's appropriate.
Yeah, like
Because it would be bad if I had that because who knows? The world's very big. You could have a lot of people you could date with. You don't want to just be single-minded on one person and then you miss out on the world. I mean, what if that girl doesn't like you?
yeah, that's true. Just give
She'll
it.
dump you and you'll be in misery if you can't think bigger.
That's right. Give it 40 years or so. Maybe you'll meet
I'm
the
not
right
waiting
person.
40 years. I'm waiting, like,
Sure.
once I grow into the minute I turn into an adult, I am getting out there and try to find somebody. Because I want to have, like, 3 kids. I want
3
3
kids.
kids.
Okay. So you're gonna have to buy another couple more
Enough I
houses
can
then.
handle.
Yeah.
enough I can handle, so I don't have to worry about. Oh, this. Can you do this? Can you do this? Oh, okay, 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 okay. If you have like 10 people in the
Yes.
house, you will not survive because there's too many people to look out for.
That's right. Very wise words from a smart young man. What are your plans when you get older?
When I get older, I want to start a company, but I might work for a company for a while so that I can, because I do not want to like start it out immediately,
Yeah.
because that's how businesses fail. Because you are riding ride or die immediately if you try to
Yes.
do it. So I'm gonna save up money to have this net for me, so that if I fail the business, I still have a job for me to work at.
Oh, okay.
So
Good.
if I do, I'll have a business. I'll work part-time job at that company I was working at, so that I don't have to worry about oh no versus this. So if I do that, then if my business is successful and it takes off, I can leave that fully and dedicate myself to the business more.
Okay.
If it's if it's
What
successful.
kind of thing do you want to be? What kind of business do you want to get involved in?
I don't really know, but who knows? Maybe technology,
Oh, okay.
maybe, or yeah,
Technology's fun.
technology maybe,
How did you get your first
or
millions of dollars though to buy this house? I mean, where do you get all the money from? Did you collect pop bottles or something, or
well,
you rob a bank? Or is that
I
secret?
have a bank. I have a bank account,
Yeah.
and I had some money for 3 years, which I only get like
Saving your allowance,
every
are you?
Tuesday or every New Year. I go to
Oh.
Washington. I get some amount of money.
Okay.
So here's my advice for those who are listening:
Uh-huh.
that you should save your money and not try to go too quickly. You go too quickly, you crash.
That's correct. You've been watching my videos or something? That's usually what I take. It's my advice I usually give. Nice. Learning
It's
quickly.
like it's like trying to land on the moon
Yeah.
very fast and trying to go so slow. If you go so slow, you'll get old and then
Yeah.
give up, and you'll rent a condo for the rest of your life. If you go too fast, you're not prepared for what is about to come. But
Listen
if
to.
you go at the middle pace, you have some experience of how like households are, and kind of like I should go now because I would probably get too old to parent.
That's right. Wow, everybody listen to this guy's advice. That's some really smart advice. I don't know where he heard that from, but it's really good. Yeah, you can influence a lot of good people with that. Especially if you're starting at 9 years old. You're gonna have like 40 houses by the time you're 12. You know, that's you're off to a good
Well,
start.
I still need to save more, because if I don't save enough, I cannot buy a house, let alone a rent.
Yes.
So I need to work part time. I won't go too quickly. So I'll save up some amount of money so I can pay my first monthly rent payment for
Yeah,
very easily. Then the next time I'll be working.
that's true.
And I'll try to do the best the job I can, so that I can get higher amounts of money
Where are you gonna start
by
working
going
at?
up the ranks.
We're gonna work. 7-Eleven, Mr. Donuts.
I'm not going over there.
Oh, you gonna work
There's some
there?
bad people over there. If you are going to like a gas station in like Texas,
Oh,
I wouldn't want to go there.
in Texas?
I don't want to go near, because I watch movies,
Yeah.
and in those movies, there's like some bad guy over there robbing the store.
Okay.
But
You can work in
I
Japan then. You can
wouldn't
work at
want.
Mr. Donuts.
But I would work at a place that pays a good amount of money for good
Mm,
service.
Matsuya?
I would
Yoshinoya?
definitely not be a cashier. If I'm a cashier, then it would be very bad,
Okay.
because I mean America pays money
You
to
get
them,
tips.
but I don't want. Yeah, I don't want to tip people if I'm just putting them with stuff. I do not want to tip them unless I actually need the tip. So I'll try to live. And if I need help, I'll ask some friends if they can help me. But I will not rely on them solely because once they're gone, they're gone. You can't have any more help.
Oh, you're correct. That's bang on, my friend. Just by that much. Your parents must be proud of you for doing so much in such a short time. Do you plan, now that you have all this free time that you own your own house, you're gonna practice the piano more and become a musician?
I could probably practice more if I could, and maybe I could take the portable piano.
Okay, that's a good idea. Can you play me the Star Wars theme right now?
I don't know that one.
What do you know?
I know.
Chopsticks? What was that called? I forgot.
Do you know the show Peanuts?
The Peanuts? You mean the comic book?
Yeah.
Snoopy?
Yeah, Snoopy's Christmas.
Yeah.
Like about like the Bloody Red Baron.
Oh yeah, I know that. Okay, it's like from
I'll play it
200
for
years.
you.
Okay, listen, everybody.
Thank you very much.
Oh, very good, very good. Wow, that's awesome, man. Wow, good job, Maxwell. I look forward to seeing you again in the future.
Thank you very much, Mr. Colin.
You're welcome. Enjoy. I hope you enjoy my videos.
I really will enjoy it.
Oh, there's the boss.
Hey, Colin. How are you?
Good. Do you have a
He
safe
wanted
trip?
to be in the video.
Yeah, he wanted to make. He was making a little bit of noise.
He
So I
wanted
had
to
to
be.
take him away.
Well, he could have been in the video. I didn't mind. He knew what was going on. That's
He
funny.
knew it was going on.
Yeah, he saw that we were holding the camera. He wanted to be part of it.
Oh.
Maybe we should add him inside.
Yeah, but we don't make him the youngest person to buy a house ever in Japan.
That's right.
That's funny.